Thunderstorm VR.
County in northwestern New Jersey, Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 30 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located
No
over
thunderstorms outside.
11 miles southeast of Mount Pocono, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hopatcon, East Stroudsburg, Hopatcon, Blairstown, Bangor, Stanhope, East Palm, Belvedere, Oxford, Hope, East Bangor, Stoneville, Broadheadsville, Greenville, Delaware Water Gap, Tannersville, Long Valley, Great Meadows, Vienna, Alamochi Panther Valley, and Readers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 300 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I don't get it. Why does it say torrential rainfall is occurring with the storm? Or frequent
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through this evening.
Jesus.
A severe